The future of AI is no longer just about software, it's about the physical world. At TechCrunch Disrupt 2025, industry leaders like Waabi and Apptronik will showcase how humanoid robots and autonomous vehicles are pushing AI into new frontiers. Let's dive into the breakthroughs that could shape the future. AI isn't just about smart algorithms anymore. It's about real-world hardware that can bring these ideas to life. At TechCrunch Disrupt 2025, Waabi and Apptronik will explore how AI-powered humanoid robots and autonomous vehicles, AVs, require more than just software. The key is in the hardware, the sensors, processors, and mechanical systems that enable real-world interactions. Without these components, AI would remain a theoretical tool. Hardware and AI need to work hand in hand to make robots and self-driving cars safe and effective in the real world. This event is the perfect showcase for these innovations, where the limits of AI hardware are being tested and expanded. These hardware systems not only need to process vast amounts of data, but also make real-time decisions that are safe, efficient, and adaptable to changing environments. The integration of AI with hardware is no longer an option. It's a necessity for the next evolution of autonomous systems. Waabi is leading the way in autonomous vehicles with a unique approach that blends AI and real-time simulation. Unlike traditional systems, Waabi uses machine learning to enable vehicles to learn how to drive, improving over time. This allows the vehicles to handle complex driving situations that would challenge even the most experienced human drivers. Waabi's breakthrough comes from its AI-driven platform, which helps AVs process vast amounts of data from sensors like cameras and LiDAR to make decisions. Their goal is to make autonomous driving safer, smarter, and more accessible. With the growing interest in autonomous transportation, Waabi's work is setting the stage for the next generation of smart vehicles. Their system not only drives cars, but also adapts to evolving traffic conditions, increasing safety and reducing human error. Their approach is revolutionary, offering the potential for safer roads and more efficient transport systems across the globe. Apptronik's humanoid robots are not just pieces of metal and wires. They're a look into the future of AI-driven physical labor. These robots combine AI with mechanical systems that mimic human movements, making them ideal for tasks like manufacturing, logistics, and even healthcare. By combining cutting-edge robotics with AI, Apptronik's robots are learning to navigate the physical world in ways that were once only imagined. They can perform tasks with precision, adapt to dynamic environments, and interact with humans safely. What makes them even more exciting is their potential to collaborate with human workers, enhancing productivity and safety in workplaces. Apptronik's humanoids could soon become an essential part of various industries, not just as tools, but as collaborative team members. Imagine a humanoid robot working alongside warehouse staff, handling goods with precision and speed, while freeing up human workers to perform more complex tasks that require creativity and judgment. One of the biggest challenges in robotics and AVS is making machines see and understand the world around them. This is where sensors and simulations come in. Waabi and Apptronik rely heavily on advanced sensors like LiDAR, cameras, and radar to gather information about their environment. This data is then processed by AI to make decisions in real time. While humanoid robots promise a wide range of applications, building them is no small feat. Apptronik is pushing the boundaries of robotics, but challenges remain. One of the biggest hurdles is ensuring that these robots can operate safely around humans. This requires not only advanced sensors, but also AI systems that can understand and predict human behavior. The intersection of AI and hardware is where the magic happens. It's not enough to just have a powerful AI model. The hardware must support the scale and complexity of these models. For both Waabi and Apptronik, the hardware plays a crucial role in enabling their AI systems to operate efficiently and safely. For example, the AI running in a self-driving car needs to make decisions in real time, which requires processing vast amounts of data from its sensors. Similarly, humanoid robots must have hardware that supports delicate movements and interactions with the environment. The collaboration between software and hardware will ultimately define how these AI-driven machines perform in real-world settings. As hardware advances, the AI running on these systems will only get smarter, creating a positive feedback loop that accelerates innovation and enables even more powerful applications. The rise of autonomous vehicles and humanoid robots will undoubtedly have an impact on the labor market. On one hand, these technologies can increase productivity and reduce costs. On the other hand, they could displace workers in industries like transportation, manufacturing, and retail. Waabi's autonomous vehicles, for example, could replace human drivers, and Apptronik's humanoid robots could take over manual labor in warehouses. However, these technologies also create new job opportunities in fields like AI development, robotics maintenance, and software engineering. The key challenge will be managing the transition to a workforce that works alongside these advanced machines, ensuring that workers are retrained for new roles in the AI-driven economy. As we look toward the future, the next big question is, what's next for AI hardware? The breakthroughs happening at TechCrunch Disrupt 2025 are just the beginning. As AI systems become more capable, the demand for advanced hardware will continue to grow. We can expect to see smaller, more powerful sensors, improved processors, and more efficient energy systems that will make humanoid robots and AVS more affordable and scalable. AI hardware will also become more specialized, allowing machines to perform even more specific tasks with greater precision. The future of AI hardware is bright. As AI hardware continues to evolve, expect smarter, faster, and more reliable systems that will enable a host of new possibilities in robotics, transportation, healthcare, and beyond. The future is being shaped right now at TechCrunch Disrupt 2025, and with companies like Waabi and Apptronik leading the charge, the possibilities for AI in robotics and autonomous vehicles are endless. Stay tuned for more updates as these technologies evolve and change the way we live and work.